Come on.
Please.
You do it. Come on, you do it.
All right, get going there.
All right, so we're making a brine today, buddy, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna do a brine for a pork loin roast that I have that's a bone-in, and we wanna brine it overnight so it gets the juices in there.
Nice.
So when I smoke the heck out of it, and it turns all crispy and crunchy and delicious and glazed pork roast, it's gonna be amazing. Okay?
So you're teaching your kid how to do a brine.
That's right, we're gonna show you how to do a brine. So I got 6 cups of water I put inside here, some kombu, which is basically seaweed, and you let that soak in for about 15 minutes, and then you boil it all up. Then we put in the salt, half a cup of salt, and these bonito flakes, which are tuna that has been steamed, it's been smoked, and it's been sliced super thin, like paper.
Like shaved.
Wow,
Like
look at
paper,
that.
paper shavings.
That's beautiful, isn't it?
Okay, and then dry. So now we've let that sit for 15 minutes. It's time for it to be strained. We're gonna use a little larger pot. Throw some rice wine vinegar in there.
How do you say it 3 times fast?
Rice wine vinegar.
3 times.
Rice wine vinegar. Rice wine vinegar. This would be perfect for my improv acting classes. We're gonna put the couple tablespoons of pepper in there. And this is honey. This is all natural kind of honey. So it's not your typical little happy honey that's all drippy out of
Oh,
the...
but it's not happy?
Oh, it's happy. This is like the best honey you can get. And then we're gonna add the ice to it. Yeah, we're just gonna cool it down. You want about 4 cups of ice. Because you don't want it to cook your pork loin. So look at this beautiful pork loin.
Woo! How many
About
ribs is it?
3.5 pounds.
Damn.
I don't know how many ribs.
6 ribs?
1, 2, 3 ribs to 3
Oh,
ribs.
3 ribs. 3
1,
ribs.
2, 3. It's about 3.5 pounds or so what I got here.
Okay.
And we're just gonna put that in. Leave the fat on the top.
I thought you said it was a 5-pound.
And now all that needs to do is go and sit in the refrigerator overnight. All right, so we just got this guy out. He's been in about almost 2 hours.
That's
we had him
gorgeous.
smoking at 250.
Yeah.
So, but now it's time to put on the glaze. So we got to make the glaze, okay?
Okay, let's do it.
Make the glaze. Okay, so we got some miso. Okay.
Tell everybody what miso is.
Miso is a bean paste. So we're gonna get 2 tablespoons of this. I need 2 tablespoons of some honey, 1 tablespoon of some rice wine vinegar. And you mix it up.
All right.
All right. Oh, look out there, elbow. Dump it right on top.
Nice.
Oh, very cool. Let's take a look.
Damn. Holy wow, that looks insane.
Oh, Nelly. Got ourselves some crackling pork roast.
Wow, gorgeous.
Look at that.
We got it just before midnight.
Just
Yeah.
before midnight.
Awesome.
Just 5 minutes past the hair of midnight.
Thank God.
Isn't that great?
All right, let's
Find
see
that
it.
bone.
And then you guys are gonna try it out, right?
Man.
Oh,
Is it cooked?
look at that.
Ooh, that looks juicy.
Ooh, got a bone there. Get around that bone.
Oh yeah, use the muscle, muscle,
Look at that.
muscle.
Look at that. Do you want some food?
All right,
I
cut
have
into it.
some.
Cut into it. Cut into it. Come
I
on.
did cut into
Ah,
it.
just cut the thing, will
All
ya?
right, here, let's try it, buddy.
Yeah, let's.
Oh yeah, good idea. Good idea.
Let's cut that little piece off right there.
Does that have
We're
a
gonna
bone?
go right down the center. That's where I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go right down the center. Oh, let's try it, buddy. Mmm.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
The smoke, awesome.
Look at
It's
that.
juicy.
Mm.
Yeah.
You know, it's
Flavors are
moist.
amazing. Love the whole brine. Really did a good job on
Yeah.
it. Made it nice and moist,
Mm-hmm.
and the flavors are phenomenal from it.
Yeah.
Lola?
Sure.
There you go, Lola.
Wow.
Yeah, put it in your mouth. Who needs a plate when you can just stand around and eat like carnivores?